Now let us see the other concept. Light travels in a straight path. Light travels in a straight, okay, light travels in a straight path. Light always travel in a straight line, children. So here light always travel in a straight line. So light always travel in a straight line. It won't bend. Light always travel in a straight line. It travels in the form of rays or beams. See children, it travels in the form of rays. This is called rays. Okay, these are called rays. It travels in the form of R-A-Y-S, rays. Light travels in the form of rays or beams. Light travels in the form of rays or beams. Next one, a ray of light is represented by an arrow, whereas beam is represented by a group of arrows. So a ray of light is represented by arrow. So this is ray of light. Ray of light. Whereas the beam, so this is a beam, group of arrows. Beam of light is represented by group of arrows. So ray of light is represented by a single arrow. Beam is represented by a group of arrows. Light travels in a straight line. Light travels in the form of rays or beams. Ray is represented by single line, whereas beam is represented by group of arrows. This is arrow. Ray is represented by a single arrow, whereas beam is represented by group of arrows. Let's do it. One activity is there. Let's do another activity to see that light travels in a straight line. Okay, now let us see that activity. Now let's see the activity. For this, the material required are candle and 3 pieces of cardboard of the same size. So this is a candle, children, and this is first cardboard, second cardboard and third cardboard. Okay, 3 pieces of the cardboard of the same size. Okay, right. Take 3 pieces of cardboard, make a tiny hole on all 3 pieces of cardboard at the same height. So here see, this is a hole, tiny hole you made into the first cardboard, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. Take 3 pieces of cardboard and make 3 tiny holes of the same size. The holes must be same size. And next one, here make a tiny hole on 3 pieces of cardboard at the same height. Now place these cardboards on a table one after the other shown in the figure. So this is first one, this is second one, this is third one, and after that candle. So these 3 cardboards are at the same height, okay, on the table, and these 3 cardboards are kept one after the other. One after the other. Next one. Ensure that all the holes lies in a straight line. So this is a straight line. These 3 holes, first hole, second hole and third hole. Okay, all these 3 holes must be in a straight line. Also place a lighted candle at one end with the flame at the same height as the holes. So this is a lighted candle, children. So what is this? Here see, the lighted candle is on other side and a person is watching from this side. Okay, so once again I repeat, for this experiment the material that is required are candle and 3 cardboards of the same size. Okay, and next one, take 3 pieces of cardboard. First cardboard, second cardboard, and third cardboard. Make a tiny hole on all the 3 pieces of the cardboard. This is the first hole, this is second hole, this is third hole. First of all, you have to take 3 cardboards and make a tiny hole on 3 cardboards at the same height. The hole should be of same size. Now place this cardboard on a table, one after the other. Okay, these cardboard should be kept on a table, one after the other, and finally the lighted candle is there. Okay, right. Ensure that all holes are lies in a straight line. These 3 holes lies in a straight line. Also place a lighted candle at one end with the flame at the same height. With the flame at the same height. Close the doors and windows of the room. So, in which room you are doing this experiment, make sure that the doors and windows should be closed. See the candle from the holes at the opposite end. So the candle is at one end and the 3 cardboards, and we are seeing from the opposite end. Can you see the flame of the candle? Yes. Now turn the first cardboard upside down as shown in the figure 2. Okay. Now turn the first cardboard. Here see children, this is the first one, first figure. See these 3 cardboards, are of same size and the holes are of same height, and here the candle is there. Now the person is looking. Can we able to see the light? Yes. Why? Because all the 3 holes are in same size and same height. So light travels in a straight line. Now here in the second figure, what happened? Here the first cardboard is upside down. So this first cardboard is upside down. Now the hole is present here children. Here see. The first cardboard is upside down. Upside down means here the hole will come here. Okay, the hole will come here. Now my question is, can we able to see the light? Can we able to see the light? Why? Because we have to see from this position. We have to see from this position. If you see it from this position, we can't see. Why? Because the second hole is here, the third hole is here. The light comes in this way, and the light will comes in this way only, not in this way. That means light travels in straight line. In the first figure, the 3 holes are of the same height. Okay, that is why the lighting from the candle we can see from clearly. In the second figure, here see the hole is not exactly opposite to the other 2 cardboards. The hole is down, so we can't see. Why? Because the candle light is coming in this position. Our eye is in this position. We can't see. From this experiment, it is clear that light travels in straight line. So write your conclusion. Yes, light travels in straight line. Last and final, I am explaining this one. Now this experiment is to prove that light travels in straight line. For that, you have to take 1, 2, 3 cardboards and a candle, and these 3 cardboards here see are of equal size, and you should make the holes of the same height, and the candle is at other end, and keep these 3 cardboards on the table. Okay, and see from one end. Can you able to see the light? Yes. Now you have to change the position of the first cardboard upside down. That means the whole position is changed. Now can you able to see the light? No. Why? Because the light comes in this way and goes here, whereas the hole is in other position. That means we cannot see here. Why? Because light travels straightly. When the light travels in straight path, the hole is not here. That is the reason we can't see that. So from this experiment, it is clear that light rays travel in a straight line. Okay. Children, so far we have seen the light travels in a straight line. Now let us see, take page number 73. Okay, so page number 73, see, you can observe the figure. The girl is in front of what? Yes, mirror. Children, can you see your face in the mirror? Can you see your hands in the mirror? Children, see children, this is a girl facing in front of what? Mirror. Can you see your face in front of the mirror? Yes or no? Yes. Not only face, we can see the many things in front of the mirror. Then what is the physics behind that? Let us see. Have you ever thought why you can see your face in the mirror but not in a piece of wood? Can you see your face in the piece of wood? No. But we can see face in your face in the piece of mirror. Have you ever wondered how you are able to see your image in the mirror or shiny metallic surface? It happens due to a phenomenon called as reflection. It happens due to a phenomenon called as reflection. When light falls on a polished surface, when light falls on a polished surface, when light falls on a, see here, polished surface, what happens? It goes back. It goes back. So it goes back. So here, such as mirror or shiny or metallic surface, it bounces back. This bouncing back of light is known as, so this bouncing back, so bouncing back of light is known as reflection, is known as reflection. The more highly polished a surface is, greater will be the reflection. So when there is a highly polished, the reflection is very good, very great. This phenomenon of reflection is used by photographers to click photographs in natural light. So children, have you observed the photographer in natural light when he is going to take photos? How is it possible? Because of the light reflection only. So what happens there? The light falls on an object. Whenever the light falls on an object, it reflects into the camera and automatically he will click. So this is what happening in our eyes also. Our eyes is also a natural camera. Understand? So whenever the light falls on the object, that bounces back into our eyes and automatically the brain, what it will do is, yes, it will find the object and tells such an object is a book, such an object is a pencil, such an object is like that. Our eye can sense and gives information to the brain. Okay, right here, next one. They use light reflected from water bodies, mirrors and other reflective surface to capture pictures of natural landscapes and animals. So just now you know what the photographer will do. He will take the photos of water bodies and mirrors, and next one is other reflective surfaces to capture pictures of natural landscapes and animals. So this is what's so called as reflection. So what is reflection? When light falls on any polished surface, it reflects back. The bounces back. This bouncing back is called as reflection. The more the polished surface, more will be the reflection. So now let's time to recall. Take page number 74. The energy that enable us to see the objects around us, like the benches, like the books, or whatever the things, is because of, yes, light. Without light, we cannot explore the beauty of the light. We cannot see. See, without light, we cannot see the things. Without eyes also, we cannot see the things. The bouncing back of light is known as reflection. The visible objects are classified into two types. One is luminous. What are luminous? Which can emit or produce the light by their own. Second one is non-luminous, which cannot produce, but they will be visible whenever the light falls on them. Best example is Earth. Light always travel in which line? Straight line, that we have seen in the cardboard experiment. So this is the end of the lesson, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.